Hi, this is Kit Kat. She's getting ready to meet her family today. And so we're going to pin her ears. So you first want to start off with the puppy being very calm, and so that they don't move around too much because it gets messy if they do. You want to make sure her ears are nice and dry and clean, and which Kit Kats are. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put a little strip of glue from the middle of the ear to close to the tip of the ear, and it's going to be just a little strip because a little goes a long way. No? Alright, let's go ahead and do that. We're using Teraminder. As you can see, they get a little feisty when you try to Alright, so you got a little bit of glue right there in the middle. Yes, yes. And lining up is the key. Go. Alright. Try to wipe off the excess before. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put them together, try to match them up at the top, and then squeeze them together for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, it should be dry, and you'll have nice pinned ears.